This is where the process begins. Packaging material is fed into the machine and formed into a continuous tube. Robotic arms guide the process with precision as each carton is filled and sealed in one continuous motion. The result is a controlled, efficient manufacturing system built for consistency and scale. Each carton then moves through automated inspection, where electronic scanning checks for structural integrity and consistent form. The cap is applied as part of a tightly controlled process designed to maintain quality across every unit. This is precision quality control built directly into the production line. In the final stage, robotic arms organize the finished cartons into 18-count cases and seal each case for shipment and distribution. What this demonstrates is more than packaging. It is a streamlined manufacturing flow designed for repeatable output, operational discipline, and scalable growth.